Greetings, fellow travelers, and welcome to the Tourism Hub YouTube channel. We're here to guide you through the breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture of the United Arab Emirates in 2024. From hidden gems to culinary delights, stunning architecture to cultural events and festivals, unique geological features to natural beauty, we've got it all covered. So strap on your virtual explorer gear and prepare to be amazed. Without further ado, let's dive into the countdown and start with the 5th place. Starting our countdown, at number 5, we have Ras Al Khaimah. A treasure trove of natural beauty, Ras Al Khaimah is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. From hiking in the rugged Hajar Mountains to birdwatching at the Banyan Tree Al Wadi Nature Reserve, the emirate offers a unique blend of flora and fauna that is sure to captivate nature lovers. And let's not forget about the rich cultural heritage. The National Museum of Ras Al Khaimah offers a deep dive into the Emirates' history and traditions, making it a must-visit for culture vultures. The warmth of its people and the unique experiences it offers make Ras Al Khaimah a destination like no other. Ras Al Khaimah surely has something for everyone, but let's move on to our 4th place. Next up on our list, at number 4, is Ajman. This gem of the United Arab Emirates may be the smallest emirate, but it packs a big punch. Ajman is renowned for its pristine beaches, where the azure Arabian Gulf meets golden sands, a perfect spot for a serene getaway. The city also serves up a delectable culinary scene, offering a gastronomic journey through the Middle East and beyond. For the night owls, Ajman's pubs and dance clubs are the places to be, with their eclectic mix of music and vibrant atmosphere. The city's nightlife buzzes with energy, lit up by the dazzling lights and the lively chatter of locals and tourists alike. Ajman is a city that never sleeps, but we have more to explore. Let's move on to our 3rd place. Halfway through our list, at number 3, we find Sharjah. A city that is a unique blend of the traditional and contemporary, Sharjah is a cultural hub with its myriad of events and festivals that bring the city to life. Here, you can immerse yourself in the rich heritage and vibrant art scene, witnessing stunning architectural marvels that stand as a testament to the city's history and its forward-thinking vision. Beyond its cultural offerings, Sharjah also exudes an infectious energy with its bustling city life. From the lively markets to the buzzing cafe culture, the city pulses with a rhythm that is uniquely its own. Sharjah is a city full of life and culture, but we have yet to reveal our top 2 places. Let's continue with the countdown. Coming in at 2nd place, we have Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, a city that effortlessly blends the old with the new. It's a city that boasts stunningly modern architecture, with skyscrapers that pierce the sky and glitter in the night with multicolored lights. But it's not all sleek glass and steel. The city has preserved its unique geological features, providing a fascinating contrast to the urban landscape. Marvel at the tallest buildings that seem to touch the stars and the enchanting lightings that add a magical touch to the city's skyline. Abu Dhabi is more than just a city. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of progress. Abu Dhabi is truly a sight to behold, but what could possibly top our list? Let's find out. And finally, at the top of our list, we have Dubai. This bustling city is a marvel of modern architecture, with skyscrapers that seem to touch the sky. But it's not all steel and glass. The unique geological features of the region offer a backdrop of rolling dunes and serene desert vistas. In the winter, the city even experiences snowfalls, a spectacle that adds another layer of beauty to this metropolitan wonder. Dubai's impressive architectural feats are not limited to its tallest buildings, but extend to its stunning cultural heritage sites, which offer a glimpse into the region's rich history and traditions. Outdoor enthusiasts will be thrilled with the myriad activities available, from dune bashing to skiing in the indoor ski park. And let's not forget the unique flora and fauna that make Dubai a destination like no other. The city is a melting pot of cultures, and this is reflected in its vibrant culinary scene, where you can sample cuisine from around the globe. Dubai, a city where dreams come true, tops our list of the top 5 most beautiful places to visit in the UAE in 2024. So there we have it, our top 5 most beautiful places to visit in the UAE in 2024. We've journeyed through the stunning architecture of Dubai, the unique beauty of Abu Dhabi, the cultural richness of Sharjah, the hidden gems of Ajman, and the breathtaking landscapes of Ras Al Khaimah. Each place offers a unique tapestry of experiences waiting for you to unravel. We hope you enjoyed our countdown. For more travel guides, don't forget to check out our other playlists such as Turkey tourism, Switzerland tourism, USA tourism, and many more. Safe travels.